Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to turn off your auto download settings in WhatsApp. So guys, before moving on to the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, then just go click on subscribe button and the bell button, to subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel, which posts you and gives you information about the daily technological news and helps you solve problems and stuffs like this. And guys, well, this video comes under the WhatsApp tips, tricks, and tutorial playlist, which contains videos such as how to obtain WhatsApp using a virtual number for free and stuff, etc. So, guys, if you're not yet watched those videos, then please go take a look at the description or the comment section. I would have pinned a comment which would appear as the first comment. So, guys, in that comment section, there will be a playlist which will navigate you to the WhatsApp tips, tricks, and tutorial, which will teach you all the tips and tricks regarding WhatsApp, such as how to create WhatsApp using free virtual numbers. I mean, for your own, it's not going to be visible to anyone, or stuffs like how to turn off auto download in WhatsApp, etc. So, guys, now let's just not waste any more time. Let's just straightly dive into the video. Now, in this video, we are going to focus on turning off media auto download for all the files such as audio, video, documents, and images. Well, by default, when connected to Wi-Fi, all your medias would be downloaded, such as photos, audio, video, and documents. When using mobile data, only your audio, image, and documents would be enabled during download. When roaming, by default, no media would be enabled for download. But if you just leave it at the settings, your storage space is going to get increased by a lot. As you can see, I have 3.4 GB of my data. WhatsApp actually occupies 3.4 GB of my data just to store these files. So it's a bit hectic if it just keeps on auto downloading all the steps which I receive from all the groups and private messages. So I would recommend you guys turning off all the auto download options, and whenever you want something, you just go manually download those. It will help you save your internet and also control or manage your storage efficiently. Now, in order to go to the settings, first of all, navigate to the settings page of your WhatsApp by clicking on the three dotted icons on the right side, and after you click on it, you would be navigated to this page. Here you would have a lot of options starting from account to help section. These are all the settings, and at the bottom you would have an option to invite a friend, that is for inviting your friend to the WhatsApp. We are not going to focus on those things for now. So in this video, we are focusing on how to turn off auto download. In order to turn off auto download, we are going to navigate to a setting known as storage and data. You just click on the storage and data, you would be navigated to this page. In order to turn off auto download, just go click on here. By default, if you have photos and audios turned on, you must go uncheck all of the ticks and just click on OK. And after clicking on OK, your page must be visible like this. All your when using mobile data or when connected on Wi-Fi or when roaming, all your data must be, all stuffs must be turned on and no media must be visible. If it's visible like this, then you are successful in turning off the auto download settings. Guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was helpful to you, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button, the subscribe button, like I told before, and do not forget to leave a thumbs up. Do not forget to click on thumbs up button located below this video in order to support my channel and this one, and encourage me to post more videos like this, guys. And if you have few suggestions or if you are facing any problems, then please feel free to leave your comments or suggestions in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you. And so, guys, once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again in the next video. Until then, it's me Surya Prakash signing off. Bye.